Hey friends! So you have spent all week learning about your different animals and doing all kinds of research on them. So this week and next week we're going to start taking all of that information you learned and we're going to put it into a Google Slides PowerPoint for you to share. So real quick, I'm going to teach you how to get Google Slides. Some of you might already have Google Slides on your iPad or tablet or whatever you're using. If you're not sure if you do, you can just kind of pull down on the screen and that'll show you the search bar, and you can type in Google Slides to see if you have it. If you do not have it, then if you're on a school iPad, you're going to go to the LISD app catalog. So that has the Lindell Eagles logo on it. You'll click it and it'll take you to a website that has all of the apps you can download. And you'll just look for the Google Slide app to download it. The Google Slide app, it has a white background with this kind of orangish yellow rectangle in the middle. So if you have your personal iPad or tablet, you'll go to your own app catalog to figure it out. But if you have a school iPad, you'll need to go to the LISD app catalog. If you're doing this on a desktop, then you can just Google Slides and it'll take you to the website for Google Slides. So once you have your Google Slides downloaded or pulled up on your computer, the first thing you're going to do is click on it. Now, I'm already signed into my Google Slide. You're going to have to sign into yours. Your sign-in is going to be your school email with the password being LISD and then your lunch number, just like it is to log on to Google Classroom. So the first thing you're going to do to create a new Google Slide is in the bottom right corner, you have that plus sign. So you're going to touch the plus sign and you're going to touch at the bottom, New Presentation. So this is going to give you a title for your presentation. I'm going to title mine Animal Research. So then it automatically takes you to the first screen. So today we're going to learn how to add a title. So now, choosing a title is very important. A title lets people know what your presentation is going to be about. Now remember, when you have a title is not a full sentence. It's just a few words. If we can, we want to avoid the title just being the name of your animal. We want to try to make it a little more interesting. That way when the reader sees your title, they're going to be interested enough to read your presentation. So maybe try coming up with a word that describes your animal. Like if I'm doing tigers, I could make my title Terrific Tigers. So if I've decided for Terrific Tigers as my title, I'm going to tap twice on the top box, and that brings up my keyboard. So I'm going to type in my title, Terrific Tigers. I'm making sure to capitalize each word because our words in a title are capital. When I'm done, I'm just going to click on the white to get rid of the text box. Now, I don't want a subtitle, so if I want to delete that, I'm just going to click on the box and all these options come up. Kind of in the middle, there's a delete, so I'm going to hit the delete and that gets rid of that text box. So now you have your title page and you're ready to go. So I want you to try to do this one on your own, and next week we will start adding more slides and you'll get to add pictures and start putting together all of the stuff you've learned and researched this week.